In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay on Apple Watch. First of all, go to your app screen and open the App Store on your Apple Watch. And here in App Store, we have to search for Apple Pay. Apple Pay. And make sure you have installed the Apple Pay app on your both Apple Watch and on your iPhone. Now go to your app screen and search for the Apple Pay or Apple Wallet app. Open the app, tap on this three dot, tap on Add Card, and here you can select Apple account, debit or credit card or transit card. So go ahead and just set up your card with this wallet app. So write here your name, enter here your card number and tap on continue to go ahead and set up your card. Now once you successfully added your card to your Apple Wallet, to use Apple Pay for contactless payments on Apple Watch, just double click the side button twice and here scroll to choose a card. So if you have added multiple cards, then you have to select the exact card. Now hold Apple Watch within a few centimeters of the contactless cards reader with the display facing the reader. And then a gentle tap and beep confirm that the payment information was sent. You receive a notifications in notification center when the transaction is confirmed. That's how you can easily go ahead and use the Apple Wallet or Apple Pay on your Apple Watch.